So happy New Year's. This is a quick tutorial of how I did my makeup look. So stay tuned, enjoy, and let's roll. Happy New Year's Eve. Alright, so I just did my skincare and I'm going to be using this palette. Essence Make Nothing Compares to Nude. The drugstore palette. Colors are beautiful and look at them. That is stunning. We're going to be using this one right here in the middle and these two matte colors right here. This corner and this corner. I'm so excited. Diana, I gave her the same palette. I don't know if she's going to use it for New Year's, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be using because my theme is gold, silver, and black. I already did my hair. Did curls. Looks so pretty. Alright, so let's go with the makeup. I'll come back. Hello guys! So we're gonna do a tutorial on this palette, the Nude palette by Essence. But I also have the Wet n Wild Glamour Squad palette, which I believe is in the kit, the Christmas kit that I got Diana. So these two palettes I will be using for my look. So I'll be using this color, be one of these two right here. One of these. This one may be on the outside, I don't know yet. And then these are your basics right here. So we'll see what look we come up with. But I'm using drugstore, so you guys are able to buy it if you guys are interested in the colors or if you guys like the look that I do. So let's open it. So I don't use primer for my eyes because the only primer that I've ever found to withstand my oily eyelids is the NARS primer. I have yet to find a drugstore that will match that. So in the meantime, I am using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in the color 100. And I'm going to use this as my base. I put it on and then I'll set it with the powder. And again, the powder is a Wet n Wild translucent powder. So it's another item that you can buy in the drugstore. I will try to use brushes that you can also find in the drugstore so you guys can purchase it if you guys are interested. And then I will find all the links and link everything in the down below box. So you can either blend this out with your finger or you can use a brush. I'm going to use a brush to be more precise. Now I will grab the translucent powder and use a flat brush. And I will set the concealer. Actually, I'm going to go with the middle color, which is this one right here. This is very, I believe it's called 15 Days. This one, 15 Days. Oh my god, it has a lot of fallout. All the fallout is on my nose. Let's try a flat brush. Okay, so use a flat brush to apply the base because it definitely has a lot of fallout. and they glide on pretty quick. Okay, so I will add the, let's see if they have a darker color here. I want to add like a dark. So I'm gonna go with this burgundy right here. I don't know what it is, but it's this burgundy next to the black. And I'm gonna use an ink brush. So I'm going to grab another flat brush and I'm going to go in with the shimmer. And the shimmer I'll be using is the, just give it another try, which is this one up here. Lots of fallout. Let's try my finger. Do your eyeshadow before you do your whole face because there is a lot of fallout with this palette. Grab the color right here to brown. I'm going to put that on the outer crease. Going with this bright gold right here. I'm gonna use my finger because the finger heats up the color and it helps it glide on. It's pretty good. Let's finish off with the lash. Right before I put the lash on, I'm going to do my under eye so it's not bare. I will go in with the same colors I used. I'm using this red. This red right here. This one. And I'm going to grab a little bit of this one. Take off the excess. I will grab a little bit of the glitter, which is this one right here. And there we go, we have our finished eye look. Hope you guys liked it. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So here is the finished look. And I hope you guys like my tutorial. I will list all the products that I use down below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing them, you can buy them. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys supporting me this year, and may 2024 bring an abundance of health, wealth, and prosperity to your life. And I can't wait to see what 2024 holds for you and me and everyone around us. So yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's, and I'm gonna go celebrate with my family. All right, see ya. Thank you so much for watching.